Bro, it looks so much better without particles.
Well, I wouldn't know. Wait, so do you get the particles when you're in like a ship game mode or like wave game mode? Like, you know those floating particles of your cube color? Are there those?
I think so. Alright, well, I'm past the first cube again. Getting far.
What ranking is Blizzard at? Black Blizzard at?
Like 430.
Oh, 430. And Sonic's Wave at 200?
Yeah.
But Black Blizzard looks harder.
Nah, it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Bro, it's just the particles are so... Buns.
I can hear your clicks like very clearly.
Same. Menace, I'm not even kidding, I just beat the level.
What?
What the hell, bro? Yeah, I just beat it. Like, from 0. What?
Did I?
Yes, bro, I was not expecting to beat it today.
Wait. Exit?
What
Yeah,
the
bro,
hell?
what?